Have you ever wondered how your money can work for you? Well, it all starts with a fascinating concept known as compound interest. This powerful tool is the secret ingredient to growing wealth over time. Let's imagine you decide to invest just $100 each month. You do this diligently, month after month, for 20 long years. Now here's where the magic happens. The interest that you earn on this investment doesn't just sit there. No, it gets added back to your original sum, or the principal. This means that not only is your original money earning interest, but the interest is earning interest too. This cycle repeats over and over again, with your wealth snowballing as time goes on. This is the power of compound interest. It's not just about the money you invest, but about the time you give your money to grow. So, as you can see, the beauty of compound interest is that your money is constantly working for you, even while you sleep. Now that you understand the basic concept, you might be wondering, just how much can compound interest really add up to? To visualize this, we have a handy tool known as the Rule of 72. It's a simple way to estimate how long it will take for an investment to double given a fixed annual rate of interest. Let's say we have an interest rate of 6%. We divide 72 by 6, which gives us 12. This means your investment would double in about 12 years. But here's where the magic happens. Over time, this effect magnifies. Your doubled investment now starts earning interest too, leading to exponential growth. That's why it's called compound interest. It's interest on interest. Your money is not just growing, it's growing at an increasing rate. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it keeps rolling, it gathers more snow and gets bigger and bigger. So with the magic of compounding, a small investment today could turn into a large sum tomorrow. Still not convinced about the power of compound interest? Consider this. The earlier you start, the more you stand to gain. Let's put this into perspective with an example. Imagine two people, Alex and Taylor. Alex starts investing $100 a month at the age of 25. Taylor, on the other hand, begins at 35 but decides to invest $200 each month, double the amount Alex is investing. Fast forward to when they both reach 65. Despite investing more money each month, Taylor ends up with less than Alex. Why? Because Alex had an extra 10 years for his money to grow through compound interest. It's not just about how much you invest, but when you start investing. This example clearly illustrates the profound impact of starting early. So remember, when it comes to compound interest, time is your greatest ally. Start early, be consistent, and watch your wealth grow.